Alright guys, welcome back to Questionable Riding. So I just got my ECU back that I sent off to Moore Mafia, and this is literally what's in the box. I just opened it. It took about a week for me to get this back after I sent it, but I was tracking it the whole time. That's because I paid for like the extra speedy whatever it is. So total, I think this whole thing was like 450. I think like an extra 75-ish dollars of that is on me. Actually, it's a little bit more because I wanted this keychain, shake and bake. I have no idea if this is from something else, but I like this because Talladega Nights is my movie, and I saw it and I was like, I have to get that. The ECU flash, I want to say it was like 300 or something like that, but I looked it up. A replacement ECU for the Z900 is like $1,200, so I put insurance on there to cover $1,200 in case something happened to it. So these are really expensive. So I put the insurance on there. That was like an extra 25-ish dollars. I got the Pops and Bangs tune. That was an extra $100. And then the speedy delivery, or the speedy like turnaround, like it jumps me to the top of the line, because like I was super nervous about like this taking weeks or whatnot. I don't know how many people Moore is like flashing on the daily, but I was like, spring is like next week, and I was like, I don't want to be waiting like a month or whatnot for this to get back. So I just paid the extra 20. So I think it ended up being like 450, something like that. So basically, when you have to go to the website, you put in all the information, what you want, like the speedy turnaround, insurance, and then the actual ECU flash. You do all that on the website, and then you have to put all the mods that you have on your current bike, so that when you flash it, they know what they're flashing it for. So I have all my stuff on there. You have to put it on a slip of paper too. I'm guessing it's like so they kind of know that you paid and whatnot, to make sure everything like matches up in their system or whatever. I don't know. I don't flash ECUs, but you guys were here for all of this. So I got the DNA high performance air filter in the bike, got the SC Project CRT slip on. I still have my stock headers. I just took out the catalytic converter, and then I cut the bread box off, and then replaced it with that mid pipe. I want to say literally all of these might be a video, except for the CRT, because I had the dealership do that when before I got my bike. So I got the keychain, put his Moore Mafia sticker on there. Kind of feels like a tramp stamp, but I'm gonna let that slide. Especially, if the ECU flash is doing its thing, and then they give you a piece of paper that has like everything you got done on it. He checked off, well, I don't know if he specifically did this, but like they checked off damn near everything. I got my fuel map optimized, O2 sensor eliminated, evap deleted, top speed limiter removed, timing map optimized. I don't have an exhaust servo, so they couldn't do that. Fan temps set to 195. I don't know what that does. Y'all let me know in the comments. Rev limiter set to 11,400. I think that's like 400 extra. I think it was like 11,000. All restrictions removed. Paravalve deleted. Disabled the D-cell fuel cut. So that I know for sure is when I was riding and I would let off the throttle, it would kind of like jerk forward a little bit. I think that's because it was cutting fuel. And then I did opt for the Pops and Bangs because there was two reasons for this. The first is because I kind of just wanted to see what it was, because there weren't a lot of videos, and the videos that he did have, I was like, it's hard to tell like how loud it is or what it is exactly. So I got it partially out of curiosity. And the second reason I got it is because I heard when you get a flash, the pops are gone. Like they flash that out, so there are no pops. And I kind of like when my bike pops a little bit. So I got that, but I am a little bit worried because the stuff that I heard online, it went one of two ways. The first, it was like the pops and bangs. It was like, it sounded like I'm kind of like garbage. And then the second pops and bangs tune pops and bangs tune that I've seen from him is that it was like the pops that I had, and then it was like kind of puffing out fire. I'm hoping that it's that one and not the one that sounds like garbage. But I don't know until I put it on there and then I set it back up. But I really hope that it's not that, because I'm gonna have to send it back, because I don't want that. I want like just the pops, and hopefully I can like control it. Like I don't want to be like pop 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 pop. You know what I mean? I don't want it to be like anything crazy like that. So we'll see how it is. If I don't like it, I'll maybe try to reach out and be like, hey, like everything else is good, I just don't like the pops. Can you like just take that off? But let's see. It says, now that you've received your ECU back, unplug the O2 sensor to disable it. You can leave it in the motorcycle. It does not have to be taken out, just unplugged. That's dope, because I do have the stock headers, so I'm kind of sort of going for like a sleeper type of vibe, because I have like the stock headers. Like I don't want it to be all like, I don't want it to be like a shiny ass bolt where the O2 sensor was. I did grab one. So if you don't want to keep your O2 sensor like screwed into the exhaust, it is a 18 millimeter bolt. I got it from like Ace's hardware store or whatever. So it's 18. It's a M18. So yeah, do with that information what you will. Turn key on for 10 seconds. Turn key off for 10 seconds. Start your motorcycle and let it idle. Turn off your motorcycle. Wait 10 seconds. Then your motorcycle is ready to go. Some bikes may get a check engine light after the flash. The code is on the bike, not the ECU. You have to clear the code on your own, then it won't stay gone forever. If everything is correct. Some they can be manually cleared. Just do a Google search on how to clear code. Pressing a sequence of buttons. Hope you're happy. Give us a review or a tag on Instagram. I'll probably do a tag on Instagram, and obviously I'm going to do a YouTube video on it. I don't know if this is going to be a separate video or I'm going to do this before the ride, but this whole process I'm trying to like chop it up so people can get what they need without like skipping all throughout the video, you know what I mean? So yeah, gonna go ahead and throw this on. So I don't know if that's gonna be another video or what, but yeah, I'm just gonna go throw this on. In case this is a separate video by itself, question of the video, do you think I'm gonna like the pops and bangs? Or it just says pops, so I don't know where the bangs at, you know what I mean? But yeah, do you think the pops and bangs are gonna be, I'm gonna like it, or I'm gonna send it back to Moore Mafia? That's crazy. Brother checked off everything. This thing souped up.
They call me a